Good morning, Todd Rothstein of Great Falls Construction. We're here today in Scarborough at the Burnham Village Apartments, and it's 1 week since we've completed the concrete slab, and as you can see there's a first floor perimeter walls already up and many of the interior partition walls are up. I just wanted to give you a look and show you what we're doing inside. What you're seeing is it's a green board, and that's the exterior sheathing. It's called it's a zip system, and it's got a layer of a moisture resistant material on top of the plywood, and also you've got your all your seams are taped with the product that obviously holds out our moisture. So in some applications you'll use a plywood and then you'll have a vapor barrier called Tyvek, but in this application, since it's already included with the material, it's not required because it already acts as its own vapor barrier. Inside the walls, as you can see, we've got all our piping. We talked about that a few weeks back, show the importance of where some of these walls are going to be and how these penetrations come through the concrete. Now that we're putting up our walls, we'll go take a look around and just show you how the importance of measuring and laying out your underground utilities are so important in the next phase. So right inside the middle of the downstairs of the apartments. So as you can see the wall behind me, how we've had to frame it. Of course everything is a measurement, so the distance from walls to walls are predetermined, and so as we build this we have to put these walls in the place that they're required because everything is predicated on exact measurements. So you're looking down this perimeter wall, and here's obviously one setup of all of your underground utilities, your plumbing and piping. And what you've got is, see how that lines up perfectly where these pipes will be in between 2x6 walls. And if it was outside those walls, you know, far back or whatever, front or forward, it'd be a problem. You'd have to cut the floor, move the piping, change the wall locations. But the fact that we were able to measure and lay out our underground utilities to the precise lines, making sure in advance when we dug down, put these pipes in place, held it tight, and now when the guys are coming in here to frame, everything falls right in line. So you've got a perfectly straight line. And then we'll continue that with the other perimeter walls that we put in. And make sure all of our walls are straight as we go around the perimeter. We'll snap our string lines, making sure our walls are straight front to back. Of course these standoffs right here all the way down will allow us to make sure we have our walls nice and straight. So this string line allows us to make sure that these walls are straight. So we'll block it from one side of the string to the other, and then these standoffs here, they'll help us make sure that these walls are straight. So right now we've got the first floor framing in, and now the guys are putting in the second floor flooring system, and then on top of this will be our decking, and then we'll be able to put our safety rails around the perimeter, and after that we'll raise the second floor walls. So by the end of the day we'll have the entire first floor flooring put in. This is Todd Rothstein of Great Falls Construction, Scarborough, Maine. Just thanking you for checking in. If you have any questions in the future, please feel free to give us a call at 207-839-2744. look us up on our website, which is greatfallsinc.com. Thanks. Talk to you soon.